Hello everyone, welcome to Comfy Eating. Today we are blending up something creamy, delicious and super easy banana peanut butter smoothie. This smoothie is the perfect way to kickstart your morning or recharge after workout. First let's prepare our bananas. For this, first we will need to slice the bananas and freeze them for a day or overnight. Now, freezing the bananas will give our smoothie that thick, creamy texture without needing to add any ice. Make sure to freeze the bananas for at least 4 hours or overnight for a creamy smoothie. To make the smoothie, let's first add the frozen banana slices straight into the blender. To this, we will add a piece of cinnamon stick and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Now, if you're interested to make your own peanut butter at home, find the link to my peanut butter video in the description below. Now we will add 1 glass of milk. We will blend until the smoothie is creamy and all the ingredients are well combined. And just like that, our banana peanut butter smoothie is ready. If you enjoyed this smoothie, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Comfy Eating for more quick and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.